So today's video is what I shot while driving in a snowstorm. Yeah, it was pretty intense. I wanted to go on the record and saying while recording this video and one part of it, I did say blackout and I meant to say whiteout, and that whiteout meant that there was snow and ice all over the sides of the road, so you can't just pull off and fix the wiper that broke. And I also wanted to mention, when you're driving in snow like this, you have to remember that going fast is usually the enemy of successfully getting to the end of your trip. Slow is fast in snow. So as you'll see, I didn't turn the camera on in time. There's like about a 5 to 7 second delay when you hit the button to start recording, and I had a truck go by me and he went ahead and spun 3 times in front of me and hit the side of a guardrail. So enjoy the video. Remember when you're on snow to slow down, let your tires get some traction, and if you're not getting some traction, find a place to get off the road. And other than that, enjoy the video. Broke my wiper blade, and there's no place to pull over because it's a full-blown blackout situation here. So hopefully it doesn't start snowing any worse.
Don't do it.
That's why you always carry a backup set of wipers when they break like that one did. So the truck up there just spun around like 3 times. Now he's facing the wrong way. Wow. See, look at the tracks. What the hell? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.